ParkWhiz booking platform review, usage experience. Links to ParkWhiz and other helpful resources are in the description. ParkWhiz is a highly convenient parking reservation platform designed to help users find and book parking spaces in advance. Whether you're heading to a busy downtown area, an event venue, or the airport, ParkWhiz allows you to skip the hassle of circling the block looking for a spot. With its network of parking garages, lots, and valet services, the platform offers a wide range of options at competitive prices, often at discounts of up to 50% off regular parking rates. ParkWhiz's main features include a user-friendly interface, location-based search, and flexible booking options. You can quickly find parking by entering your destination, dates, and times. And ParkWhiz will show you available spaces with key details like price, distance to your destination, and any additional amenities, such as covered parking or security features. The platform also provides user reviews and ratings, which are essential for making informed decisions. Once you select your spot, you can easily reserve it, make payment, and receive a mobile pass or QR code for smooth entry and exit. This platform is ideal for anyone who wants to guarantee a parking spot in busy areas, especially those traveling to major cities, attending events, or flying out of airports. The ability to pre-book means less stress and more time focused on your plans rather than parking logistics. For people who frequently need parking for short-term or long-term stays, ParkWhiz's options for daily, weekly, or monthly reservations are a valuable feature. While ParkWhiz is excellent for anyone seeking pre-booked, affordable parking, it may not be suitable for spontaneous parkers who prefer the flexibility of driving around to find a spot. But for anyone looking for peace of mind when it comes to parking, ParkWhiz is a highly recommended platform. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information.